White noise is like music to these microbes, and it helps them thrive. Fungi may not have ears, but their growth appears to be turned to the noises of their surroundings. And we know that white noise, many parents use white noise to put their children to sleep. Unfortunately, this is what happens with this fungi. Now, when a high frequency monotone crackle like that of radiostatic is played to the fungus species Trichoderma harzianum, researchers have found that organisms grows producing spores much faster than is typical, almost as if it were feeding on the white noise. That's an important finding because T. harzianum is present in nearly all soils and is known to colonize plant roots and enhance their growth. On farms, this species can actually parasitize pathogen fungi which can hurt plants. It's therefore possible that by playing certain noises, conservationists could promote healthier soils in numerous habitats and agricultural settings around the world. We strive to find novel ways to speed up and improve levels of beneficial fungi and other microbes in degrading soil, explains microbial ecologist Jake Robinson, who led the research at Flinders University in Australia. He and his team hope their investigation will have wide-ranging benefits for restoring degrading landscapes and farmland to feed the world. In experiments, researchers played 30 minutes of white noise to petri dishes of T. harzianum, kept in soundproofing chambers for 5 days. Compared to petri dishes that were kept in silent, those that were exposed to white noise grew the greatest growth. More research is needed to figure out how this particular soil fungus is growing faster in the presence of white noise and whether the same effect occurs outside of the lab. It's also unclear if the improved growth of fungi boosts plant or bacterial growth in turn. And despite the need for further investigation into potential unintended consequences, our study marks an important stride towards leveraging sound as an innovative tool to help promote ecosystem restoration, writes the team at Flinders. This is not the first time scientists have tried treating fungi with sound. If oyster mushroom farmers treat their mycelium with certain sounds every 5 days, evidence suggests it can boost the growth of fruiting bodies. But sounds can also be detrimental. In 2020, researchers figured out that the hum of refrigerators was increasing the growth of pathogenic fungus that rots fruits and vegetables around the world. In the lab, playback of these high-frequency fridge noises increased rot by up to 18%. In the case of T. harzianum, white noise, it's unclear, this fungus, it's unclear why the fungus is growing faster and producing more spores in the presence of white noise. Robinson and his team suspect that the sound waves are mechanically activating the organism's receptors. This mechanical signal is then translated into either an electrical voltage or a biochemical signal. If it's a biochemical signal, this could alter the fungi's gene expression or cell production. If it's converted into an electrical signal, which Robinson and his colleagues say is less likely, this could allow the fungi to communicate better. The nerve-like electrical activity of fungi has recently been compared to human speech, and it could help protect the organism's integrity. This is a venue of investigation that's still in its earliest stages, but evidence increasingly suggests that fungi, bacteria, and plant can all respond to sounds in intriguing and possibly useful ways. I would also say animals. Now, this is published in Biology Letters. It's on Science Alert by Carly Casella. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.